Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein, immune boosting, healthy beetroot sandwich recipe, ideal as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the green chutney, into my blender jar, I'm adding in a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate, hence I like to include them in my recipes. To make the green chutney immune boosting, I'm adding in 1 amla. I have already shared how to make salted amlas. Please do check the description box below for the link. Now, if you have access to fresh amla, you can use fresh amla instead of salted amla. Amla is one of the richest source of vitamin C. 1 green chili or as needed. To make this protein rich, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted gram dal, also known as pottu kadala in Malayalam. Roasted gram dal will help to make the chutney creamy. 1/4 inch ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of small onions, also known as shallots. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 tablespoon water, a large handful of fresh coriander leaves. Note that I'm also adding in the stalk of the leaves, and I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and it becomes into a nice green chutney consistency. Okay, now the green chutney is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. For the beetroot filling, I have already grated half of a medium-sized beetroot. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 of an onion finely chopped, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed. I'm also adding in 1 teaspoon of the green chutney and mix this all really well. And my beetroot filling for the sandwich is ready. For the sandwich, I'm using 2 slices of my homemade bread. Spread the protein and fiber-rich green chutney onto the bread slice. Top it with the beetroot filling. This measure of beetroot filling is enough to make 1 sandwich. Spread green chutney on the other slice of bread and place the bread slice over the beetroot filling. Lightly press it down. I'm drizzling in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil on my cast iron tawa. Place the sandwich slice on top. I'm placing a heavy skillet on top. It will help to seal the filling and also make the sandwich crispy. Couple of minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed groundnut oil. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted. Once that side is done, remove the skillet. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. And my super healthy beetroot sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this sandwich recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.